So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MGs. Today I'm going to show you real quick how to hide photos on your iPhone. So let's go straight into it. So basically, if you go to photos here, you see we've created an album called Hello. And essentially we're going to show you, we've got here 2 videos and 2 photos. So for instance, this photo, let's say we wanted to actually hide it. So if you can see right here, you've got 3 buttons. So if you click here, you see that it says hide. So when you hide it, it will automatically hide and you will see this photo will be hidden. It can be found in hidden album. You click hide photo and automatically you will not see in your gallery. Going to do it again with this one, 3 dots and hide photo, and you see automatically it will disappear from your actual gallery. Now where can you find it? Well, in albums here you'll see a new album which says hidden photos. Now normally it will be accessible meanwhile your Face ID, although sometimes you may also be able to use the actual settings. Now how can you configure if you do not want the actual hide photos to be there, no, so to be seen the actual album? Well, you can actually hide that album, so you can hide the hidden album photos within the settings of the iPhone, which we've done a video too. So essentially to hide photos, that's the way to do it, and you'll find them in album. Okay, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.